Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion spinning walk around. Now, knowing how to do an accordion is important, knowing how to do travelling turns and returns would be important, but the most important one would be knowing how to do an accordion spin. Link to the teaching clip for that in the description below. Assuming you've got the skills ready, we can do one of these. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Now I would have liked to have sent Karen in that direction, but camera's not going to get much out of that. So I kind of truncated the end of that a little bit so I could send Karen that way. I basically stopped the rotation. And you can do that, which is useful on the dance floor because it means you can avoid obstacles. But let's break it down. It starts off right to right. Looks exactly like you're going to lead the lady into a travelling lady spin. So we go semicircling back, so we're offering the other hand to come to an accordion en route. Obviously if you start an accordion you'll have that hand already. So we're bringing the lady forwards, we're doing a prep whilst we're walking the lady, whilst picking that hand up. We're going to keep the lady moving through, so continuing past us as we lead what is effectively a lady spin with an extra hand. So the lady goes all the way around and the guys have to remember to keep walking around the lady to the left all the way through this process. We're going to keep going around to the left, guys, as we take the lady in a return direction, left over the lady, right over the lady. We're going to continue to do our rotation all the time, guys. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take the left hand over and we're going to lead the lady into a return as we continue around. Pick up the hand, keep the lady moving around. We can take the lady in a turn direction. We take the left over, the right down, continuing to walk. Now we get a preparation and the lady gets a spin, also continue to move around. So we go round and pick up the hand. Now guys are heading over to the left. We go left over the lady, right over the lady. So that was return direction for the lady, preparation, little bit in a turn direction, and then we send the lady into a return with just the right hand. We don't need to recollect with the left unless we want to go back to an accordion move, and we step back right to right. So you'll have noticed the ladies are getting turn, pause, turn, return, pause, return. So they balance up, but for the ladies usually they get full ones in one direction, full ones in the other direction, and this time they're only getting preps in between the two. So let's think numbers. We go semicircle back and offer. 1, preparation. 2, spin. 3, collect. 4, return. 5, back. 6, preparation. 7, return. 8, collect. 1, turn. 2, back. 3, preparation. 4, spin. 5, collect. 6, over the top. 7, down. 8, preparation. 1, and then the final return. 2, and back. 3. And that's the whole thing. Quite a lot to remember, but it is just a simple pattern repeated. So we'll try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, accordion spinning walk around. It's a back, prep, spin, collect, over, look, prep, return, collect, over, look, prep, spin, collect, over, look, prep, return, and back. And that is the whole thing. Hope you find it fun to use out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, give you something nice to practice the move to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.